Welcome back to Python programming. In this session, we will discuss about next important collection, which is dictionary. So we have already seen list and tuple. So we will keep back to set in the next video. Before that, we will understand what is called as a dictionary. So dictionary is a collection which is unordered. That means it does not maintain the order. It is changeable. You can change it, and it's indexed. No duplicate members. So that means it won't allow duplicate keys. It won't allow duplicate keys. Dictionaries are written with the curly braces and they have key values. So dictionary and list is very important data structure or the collections in Python. So when we do serious programming, then we will be quite often we will be using the list and the dictionary. So whereas list allows duplicate values, the the dictionary does not allow duplicate value, no duplicate members in terms of the key. Value could be duplicate, but the key cannot be duplicate, right? So let's look at how do we use the dictionary. So dictionary is like, suppose I want to create a dictionary, then we can create a dictionary with the key and value. So there are many things in real world we will be using a dictionary. For example, name of a person and his mobile number, address of a person and his name, right? And then the name of a person and his SSN number or Aadhaar number in India, or like driving license. So these are all unique, right? Driving license, number of a person and the name. So these are all the unique. And key can be a string, it could be a boolean or a integer. Key can take these values, string, boolean, integer. And the value could be a string, boolean, integer, or it could be a list also. The value could be a list also. That is also possible. And you can create a dictionary in two ways. Like one is this way, like open curly braces, close curly braces. And the second one is using a DICT constructor, dictionary constructor, DICT. Using this also, we can create it.